Today I'm going to show you how to start your work in the round two different ways. So there are multiple ways. This is just two of them. For the first one, I'm going to show you the standard slip stitch. And then let's say we want a chain of 3. And then to make the ring that we need, we are going to take our hook and put it in the first stitch that we made, the first chain that we made. So we're going in, you yarn over, and you bring that yarn through both loops on your hook. Now that will, if I get another hook, can show you, that has created a ring in your work just here. So from there, maybe we want to do double crochets into that ring, and you do as many as your pattern asks for, as many patterns as you need, as many stitches as you need. It's usually, when working in the round, 6 into that center, but that depends on your pattern, depends on your work, depends on your project. But you just keep putting them in to the hole inside that ring that you have created until you have enough. And then you would literally just join with a slip stitch to the very beginning of your work. To then continue working in the round along the stitches. Now that's one way. I'm not overly keen with that way because I can't tighten the thread enough, the wool enough to cinch that hole closed, and I end up having to sew it. So instead, I use the magic ring. Now the magic ring, I'm going to do that again. Hold your tail out the way. 2 fingers, 1, 2, and hold it under the first part of the cross, and then you chain what you need to. You do your, say, your 6 double crochets in the center as an example. Remember, this is an example only. You must have a look at your pattern to know how many you are doing of what in the ring that you need. So let's say we've got the 6 that we need. We take the tail and we pull, and it will cinch that hole closed. From there you do your slip stitch as any other time, and then you carry on in your round on the stitches you have created. So let's show you one more time for the magic ring. Tail, keep it out the way, 2 fingers only, diagonally across, diagonally across, so you have a cross on your fingers, and from there you hook under one, over the top of the second, and pull that second one through, and that's usually where you'll do, say, a chain 1, and then you'll start working in your loop, in your ring. You keep going as much as you need to do. So I'm going to do the example of 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you come to your last one, take the tail and gently pull. Bye-bye hole. Do my slip stitch to join my circle, and there's my circle with a closed hole. And one more time for the standard slip stitch method, because some people the magic ring is a little bit difficult. So this is the alternative way. There's your slip knot. However many chains you do, you slip stitch into the very first chain you made, not into the knot. Ignore the knot. Into the first chain you made to do a slip stitch. And there you have your ring, which you would then start making your stitches in, like so, and you just go round for however long the pattern states. So that is 2 ways of starting in the round. Hope it's of use to you. If it was, please don't forget to give a thumbs up down below, leave a comment, let me know what you thought, and maybe I'll see you next time for the next stitch tutorial. Take care. Have a good one. Bye bye.